Today we're going to be hitting a push press. Now we'll be using a kettlebell, and as far as kettlebells go, we'll grip it just like this. Okay, so hands on the horns, fingers tightly wrapped around, thumbs pressed up on the handle. That way it'll give us a little more leverage when we push upwards. Now with the push press, it's very similar to a shoulder press you've probably tried before. However, the only difference here is we're going to engage the lower body and a lot of the core as well to get the weight up into the air. So to show you a little bit about the little hip dip that we're going to be using, we're going to drop the hips back, slight bend at the knees, just as if you were about to come down into a squat. We're not going down into a full squat here. So hips dip down and then pressing up. As we press upwards, we're going to drive through the heels, engage our quads right here, get a little squeeze in the glutes, get that little snap there, and then engage the core, transitioning that momentum from our lower bodies up on into the ceiling with our arms there. So this is how it should look. Kettlebell up to the chest, firm grip, drop, press, drop, press, drop, press. So this way we're able to generate a lot more power with that little dip in the lower body, driving some force from the quads and again, glutes, transitioning it through the core, and then finally up into the air with the arms. And that is our kettlebell push press.